Gotta tell you, gotta tell you, tell you. I can feel it all. I can feel it all. You know I said it's true. I can feel the love. Can you feel it too? I can feel it all. I can feel it all. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. Can you feel it? All too. Choo-hoo.
If you want to do it, contact them on Facebook. Send them a scan of your international driving license. They will check if it is accepted in Japan. And if not, don't worry. You can get an official Japanese translation of your national driving license at JAF. To get there, you can use Google Maps. Type JAF Tokyo branch. You can go by public transportation by clicking here. Then just follow the instructions. Bring your national driving license, pay 3,000 yen, and about 5 hours later, you get your official translation that allows you to drive in Japan. And you're good to go. Enjoy the ride. And please subscribe to my channel, it helps me a lot.
Here's your translation.
So with this and this I can drive?
Yes, and your passport.
Okay,
Yeah.
passport. This is me?
Yeah, that's for you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Honestly.
You too. Bye.